Hello everyone, my name is Jamin. Thanks so much for visiting my channel. In this video, I have a ThinkPad T15. I'm going to show you how to get inside, access your Wi-Fi card. So first thing, power down your computer the correct way. Make sure it's off and unplugged from your charger. We're then going to flip your computer over to access the bottom case screws. Now after taking out the 8 screws in the bottom case, make sure to remove your SIM card in the rear as well. If you don't, you risk breaking it when you start prying off your bottom case. After that, you're going to take a small, flat plastic pry tool and you're going to go around the seam of your computer, prying the bottom case off from the palm rest. It's generally best to start out back near one of the 2 hinge assemblies, work your way in one direction, and if you get stuck, leave it, go to the other side, and continue in the other direction. Don't put your pry tool too far in. You could damage internal components. Just keep it on the edge, go nice and slow, careful but firm, and you'll be able to get that bottom case off. After you do, this is what you're looking at for the inside of your computer. Now, as a general computer repair side note, whenever I'm working on a computer in my shop, it's sitting on an anti-static mat. Either that or an anti-static bracelet are great ideas to avoid damaging things in your computer when you're working on it. If you would like any help with tools or supplies for your computer projects, as well as all of the replacement and upgrade parts for this specific model computer, the T15, I will have a link above, also below in the description. It'll be a list of all the tools and supplies that I use in my shop, along with all the replacement and upgrade parts for this specific model computer, the T15. Now, before touching anything in a computer, I make sure that the battery is either removed or at least unplugged. A computer is safest to work on when as little power as possible is running through it. The battery is right here near the bottom of my screen. The battery is held in by 3 screws and it plugs into the motherboard right here near the green arrow. Now, as a general rule with cables and wires in a laptop, try to avoid pulling on them if at all possible when unplugging it. Try just to manipulate the plug itself. However, with this battery, as you can tell, the cables are so short that it was actually kind of difficult to pull it out without putting some pressure on the wires. But do your best, try to wiggle it out, and there's a little black pull tab here that you can grab and pull to the left, and that can help you get it out too, so you don't have to put all the pressure on those wires. Okay, so now that the battery has been removed, or again, at least unplugged, it's safe to proceed deeper into the computer. Your Wi-Fi card is located up here near the top right of my screen. Under that black flap, you just peel that back and you'll expose your Wi-Fi card. It's held down by a single screw here, and once that's undone, you can pull it out of this port here. I will have all the specifications for the Wi-Fi card below in the description if you need them, but I will also include a replacement Wi-Fi card in the description in that link I told you about with all of the replacement and upgrade parts for this model computer. These antenna wire that come down here, those are just snaps. Those just snap directly up and off of that card. To get them back on, you do need to have them at a perfect 90-degree angle to snap them back on, and you are strong enough to damage it if it's not at the right angle and you force it. So just be patient. They're kind of a pain if you're not used to it, but you will be able to get those on. And I guess the last thing to mention about this kind of an operation, if you're here because you're not seeing any Wi-Fi options, you can't access any Wi-Fi networks, your Wi-Fi card could be bad and it may need to be replaced, but I would recommend troubleshooting first, making sure your system and drivers are updated. That could solve it without having to get in here and do a repair like this. I will have a video link below in the description. It'll help you troubleshoot that situation where you cannot access your Wi-Fi options. But that's the end of this video, how to get inside your ThinkPad T15 and access your Wi-Fi card. Thanks again so much for watching. Please remember to like and share if this helped you out, if you think it can help someone else out. And feel free to subscribe if you enjoy DIY computer content like this, or if you just want to keep me on hand to answer any of your future computer questions. I do try to answer all questions throughout my channel at least a couple times a day. Also, feel free to check out the related links section below in the description. From time to time, I do try to add things in there that I think will help you with your general computer life, make it more productive, more enjoyable. So thanks again for watching, everyone. I look forward to seeing you on my next video.